There it is, guys. Wheels are painted and mounted. I'm really loving this color combination. Definitely gives it that Subaru vibe. I got one little surprise for you guys. I hope you dig it. This is my 2005 Saab 92X. There it is. Alright guys, so as you can see, the headlights are kind of foggy and cloudy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some 2000 grit sandpaper, some water, and I'm going to sand them down. Alright guys, so I went ahead and sanded them down with 2000 grit. They're looking pretty dull, so what I need to do is take some polish, a buffer, and give them a quick shine. Okay guys, so here we got one side polished. It's looking really good. That's the difference, with or without polish. Let's get the other one knocked out and let's see what it looks like. Alright, so there we go. We got a new set of lenses. Just a 2000 grit sand, a buff and a polish, and they're looking great. Alright guys, so as you can see, these Saab original center caps are looking pretty bad. So I'm going to show you how you can take them from this to this. Just get some 1200 grit sandpaper, wet sand it, and then we'll come out pretty much like brand new. Look at that. So there we go. After a little bit of elbow grease, we got another one shined up, looking good. Not too bad. That's all it is, just a cherry bomb that I got at AutoZone for 25 bucks. I hope you guys enjoyed my sound. I hope you enjoy the video. Subscribe, like, and comment.